Hey everyone, we're here today with the 2023 Nissan Z and we're going to be installing ClearBra PPF on it, but first we need to remove the Nissan badge on the front bumper. So I looked on Google and YouTube and I didn't find anything, so I hope this helps you. What you need is some painter's tape, although usually it ends up not being that necessary, but we do it as a precaution. And we have some fishing line that we bought on Amazon and our commercial hair dryer. And what we did was we heated this up. Now, previous Nissans had pins on the back of the badge that went into the bumper, and the badge was sort of recessed into the bumper, molded in. But this one is different. This one has double-sided tape, and then it has two nubs that stick out. And those nubs are different shapes and they correlate to the back of this badge. Now, if you're trying to debadge, you're gonna have to shave those nubs off, and they're not even symmetrical in size, so I think that would look really weird if you tried to debadge. But if you're replacing it, you have that as a guide for your badge. Plus, I measured it at approximately 7/8 of an inch from the top of the badge to the notch on the trunk. So what we did here is we simply heat up the badge with a hair dryer, and then we cut off about a 1 or 1.5 foot long line of fishing line, and we kind of sawed through it. And it gets a little messy, so you'll want some adhesive remover. You see, these aren't scratches, that's actually just heated up double-sided tape from the back of the badge. And what we use for our tape removal, residue removal, is we use Rapid Tack Rapid Remover, which is around, these days, $80 to $100 a gallon on Amazon. So I'll have links to the fishing line, the hair dryer, and the Rapid Tack Remover in the description.